every nurse knows charting is so important. Knowing, you leaders knowing what you have, what is out, what is in, all of the different statistics, all the variances is so important to know. Because if you don't know where the mistakes have been, the failures have been, however, can you remember to correct them? So we were ready, nearly ready for William Farr and Sir Harry Varney, my brother-in-law, to take this information to the Parliament. They, of course, needed to vote on the expenditure of redoing the hospital system, etc. And Mr. Farr said, well, in terms of the statistics, every one of them will have the book, a copy of the book. And when we come to those things, we'll just tell them to flip to the end of the book. The last 25 pages are charts with statistics. And I said, it has been my experience that members of Parliament, and my family knew many of them, would no sooner read a chart of statistics than poke their finger in their eye. No, we must find a way to show the meat of the problems right away, and we'll do it as if we are teaching children. And so I invented what you now call the infographic. The first, the rose diagram.